Going to attempt to demonstrate the my deck lid on my 57 Ford Skyliner. Be the same for 58 and 59. I have it included in my cheat sheet book where I made a modification and have the deck lid screw locks turn off when the deck is, once they're unscrewed and the deck is either rising or lowering. And then when it's coming back down, they turn on when they're about 3 to 6 inches or so above the car body. And I have it depicted how it's done in my book here. Little diagram. Done. I have it done with a trunk light that has a mercury switch in it. So when the light is off, the screw locks are working. When the light is on, the screw locks are disabled. Through a relay, just a normal little relay like this, although I do use one that's sealed with copper, with brass blades. It's a little bit nicer than this one right here because it's sealed. But anyway, that's the type that I use. I'll show you the location of it. And there's a little bit more detail how it's done. But anyway, it's very, very quiet. And I also have new bearings, lower bearings, and the 2 deck lid screw locks. But there's some more information on how it's done. But it also reduces the amount of current that's used from about 0.58 amp hours to about 0.43 amp hours. And so anyway, it's very quiet. It's the main thing, but also less current draw for the entire cycle excuse me, up or down. But anyway, let's see here if I have me a little pendant that I made. And so if we try to activate it, you hear it unscrewing. And see, now it's cut off. You see, it's almost total silence. Total silence. And this is inside a building that has a little bit of an echo. But you can see here that wire, all I did is disconnected the ground wire to this motor, and which goes through a circuit breaker, the one on the left right there. And so rather than going to ground, what it does, it goes through the relay and then back to ground, and that will disconnect the relay, or disconnect the circuit breaker, sorry, and then disconnect the circuit to the motor. So, and also I have in the transmissions at the bottom new bearings, which also makes it much quieter. But we'll try the other way now, and as we're putting the top up, and on my little pendant connected with a quick disconnect to the switch on the dash, so you can see how quiet it is. Very quiet, and then the screws will start turning. There they go, and then it screws down. So anyway, just a simple demonstration of the quietness of it. If anyone wanted to add a relay and a mercury switch and a little bit of wiring without cutting any of the existing wiring, and you could also remove it and put it back to original very easily. Thanks for watching.